kailan nyo ho inaasahan itong confirmation of charges? At for us to remember, since we've gone through so many issues ahead of that, what should we expect to happen in the confirmation of charges hearing?
Okay, first, we should first expect na magkaroon po ng decision yung pretrial chamber on the issue of fitness to stand trial. Now, the chamber na fit nga no si Mr. Duterte to stand trial. So, yun na po yung mag-schedule po ng confirmation of charges. Now, kailan po yan? Talagang mahirap pong hulaan, but hopefully, early this year po. At yung calendar po ng ICC is January 27 is the opening of the judicial calendar po ng ICC. Kaya yun po yung mga antabayanan po natin.
Okay, so fitness to stand. Pero sa confirmation of charges, anong gagawin doon?
Okay, dun sa confirmation of charges, the prosecutor will actually present evidence na magsasabi na dapat ituloy na po sa trial proper. So yun po yung pinaka-issue dun sa confirmation of charges na i-prove niya po yung charge 1, 2, and 3 na dapat po ituloy po to trial proper yung counts 1, counts 2, and counts 3 po against Mr. Duterte.
Okay, and the prosecution has submitted 1,303 pieces of evidence to the camp of former President Duterte over the last 7 months of 2025. What is contained in those pieces of evidence?
Okay, yung latest na disclosure ng prosecutor is relevant with respect sa mga elements of the crimes against humanity. It's also relevant dun sa mode of life charges, at it's also relevant dun sa potential na defense ni Mr. Duterte, kasi remember, the prosecutor is also duty-bound by the Rome Statute to also include evidence that may exonerate the suspect. Kaya patas lang po ang pagtingin ng prosecutor, both yung incriminating as well as yung exonerating evidence. Ngunit, the prosecutor has emphasized in the latest disclosure na hindi po ito yung mga evidence that will be presented dun sa confirmation of charges.
Bakit mahalaga yung ganong distinction?
Mahalaga yung ganong distinction para full disclosure, kasi Gretchen dun sa ICC walang taguan ng ebidensya, at full disclosure din kung anong i-present ng prosecutor sa every step of the way, including confirmation of charges. Kaya mahalaga po talaga yung disclosure duties ng prosecutor as well as ng defense and all parties po.
In simple talk, ipinakita na yung ebidensya, lahat ng ipipresent sa ICC pretrial chamber, but not to the defense yet. At hindi ipapakita sa sa confirmation of charges.
Actually, pinakita na yun sa defense, pero in-indicate lang ng prosecutor.
Okay.
Na hindi po ito yung mga evidence na ipipresent sa confirmation of charges. Pero pinakita po, nilalabas po ng prosecutor yung lahat po ng barahan ito sa defense po. Kaya wala pong puwang ang defense para sabihin hindi namin alam yan.
Okay.
Kasi talagang full disclosure for all the parties.